Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2021 Sunliner 230. Let's go ahead and take a quick walk around of the little features on the back here, and then we're going to get inside. So to start off, we have a Mercury 150 horsepower in this pontoon boat. This is going to give you plenty of power, plenty of flexibility, whether you just want to trot down the lake very slow or utilize that beautiful tower on top and take the kids out wakeboarding. Now, as you can see, we do have a new system here with the safety bars. Included with them, you do have a Fender storage area. So I'm able to take my fenders off, load them into this spot right here, and they're going to be nice and out of the way and not take up any other compartments. Now we have our 4-step ladder. This enables us to have a very comfortable way of boarding and exiting the boat, where it stretches real low in the water, so you don't have to worry about hyperextending your leg getting in or out. For the 2021 year, they've completely reconfigured this lounger system in the back here. So right now we have it set up to where we're accommodating all of our passengers on board for that busy day. Now we're able to sit this back, give our passengers a nice backing to lay on, kind of a lounger, and drop it down one more spot and have a complete sun pad back here. Just a great, great feature. Now, the main feature with this Sunliner is the sport tower. Big, big change for a Sunliner model. You get that premium experience by enabling you to have that sport tower to be flexible of doing anything that day. Keep in mind, still does have a very expansive bimini top on it, so keeps you really nice out of the sun, plenty of shade. Now, as we walk further on board, you can see we have the dual Helm seat layout on here. With the Sunliner package here, we have a beautiful cross-stitched, very aesthetic seats, very comfortable, both with adjustable armrests and adjustable backing. Over in our Helm area, you can see we have a lot of rocker switches that operate a lot of different functions, and it's very easy to tell when these functions are enabled, making it a lot easier for the low visibility. Upgraded gauges on this model as well, where you can view your run time, your heading, things of that nature, just to give you more information and more premium features. Now, talking about the audio that we have on board here, we have a Fusion Bluetooth radio, very easy to connect to, very user-friendly, while it's also paired up with Fusion speakers. 2 being up in the bow area here on our loungers, 2 more facing towards the bow on the lounger here. So now, on our bow seats, another great feature that they've brought to the Sunliner models is you have this mouse hole inlay between your cup holders to give you that USB charging on both port and starboard side. Gotta have USBs for the smart devices nowadays, right? Then, of course, with this seating, you get tons and tons of storage. Very easy to pull all this stuff up. And one thing I want to mention, we look in this compartment, all of this water is puddled up on the sides, and our compartment here is nice and dry. All right, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a boat you'd like to hear more information about or schedule a demo, please contact us. Thank you guys so much for watching.